Hello guys, welcome back. We're going to be talking about the new airdrop I found today, and this airdrop, the old airdrop. So projects, well, I'm still making some good research, but the ones I have made recently, I think this project is going to be a very good project. And if you look at this picture closely, you can see the dog airdrop, you can see the dog. You can see closely, you can see the dogs, you can see the dog, you can see pigs, you can see goats. All these black and white projects here, like they sharp well, not be loud. Anyways, let's jump right into the tutorial on this channel. So if you are new to this channel, this is your first time watching our videos, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any updates we are working on. And also, I know you guys, a lot of us have been doing so many airdrops on this channel, and I urge you guys to keep going. Like the hamster combat is coming to an end, just like the not coin and the dogs airdrop. Those ones are successful. Now we have the hamster combats coming to an end, the X Empire coming to an end, the W coin coming to an end, the time farm also coming to an end, and the tomato markets, just so many projects coming to an end. So guys, I will urge you to not fade on these projects. These projects are going to make us some good money. Good money. Like me, I made over $100 from the dogs airdrop, so it is really cool. So I urge you guys to take this project seriously. Alright, so without further ado, let us jump right into the tutorial. Now once you come to this channel, click here to register. Let's go. And project is calculated by your account. Let's go. This one will be tap. So this is my first time doing this. I haven't made much research on this. So but the ones I have made, I think this project is going to be very cool. So you can see it's calculated by your account age, Telegram premium if you are using a premium account on Telegram, your account activities, and the emoji on your name. That's your name. So currently I have 557. Oh, my account activities. This was the token give it to me. Okay, I'm currently not using the premium accounts. I need to add this on my name for me to receive 1,000 of the tokens. So I have 1,911 tokens on this project. So which is really cool. Wow. So guys, this project, I think this project is going to cook. Wow. Oh, why is this wallet is not, come on man. This wallet is showing. That wallet is my second account. Okay, this project is going to cool. Now, as you can see at this point, you can see the account age, account activities. This was the token I received. So currently I'm having 121911. So which is really cool. As you can see, the head or tails games, there are mini games which you can play. The head or tails and the rock, paper, scissors. Wow. Now we currently have the spinning, which is coming soon, and the catching, which is coming soon. You can play these games to gather more tokens. Now you can come to tax to participate on, do these tax in order to gather more tokens. As you can see, they are already partnering with the sex.io, the play orbit, the play hold coin, the pig house, and even OKS racers, which is really cool. Wow, this project is really cool. So guys, I urge you, if you look at the leaderboards, I know people are already copying this. My network is currently waving. So you can also comment to invite your friends. You click here to copy your referral link, share to your friends. You can also share them directly from here. So this project, let me try one of the mini games and see. Let's try one of the mini games like the rock, paper, scissors. Okay. I have to choose a move. Okay, let's go for the rock. 1/3 means we go play on 3 times. 1/3. Oh, the person won. Let's use scissors the next one. Hey, let's use scissors on the next one. Hey. I lost $50, 50 of the tokens. Ah, okay. I think I understand the game now. So that is how you get to play. I did this for the sake of this tutorial so you understand how these things work. So I think that is how this project works. You can also connect your wallet to earn more tokens. My token don't reduce. This game more easy. Okay, that is all for this channel. That is all. If you watch this video to this end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you on our next video.